Hi everybody, it's Rubina, and in today's video I'm recreating Joker's look from the last movie. Since there's already plenty of videos about the main style he shows at the end of the movie, I'm getting inspired by the look he has in the metro, in the scene that I think gives the twist to the story. I start by flattening my eyebrows with some stick glue, then I cover the area with translucent powder to dry the stickiness. I cover my dark eyebrows with some peach concealer to avoid a blue halo to show underneath the white base. Again, I'm drying it all with some translucent powder. Then with a damp sponge, I start applying a white water-based body paint to all my face. A sponge will give a more even effect than a brush. I apply translucent powder all over the white base to even it out and give a smoother base for the next powder products I'm going to apply. Since I want to give a more feminine and glam twist to my look, I'm doing some contouring with a bronzer under my cheekbones, on my forehead, jawline, and nose. I'm also applying a rosy blush, and with a slightly damp brush, I'm adding a white highlighter. With some red body paint, I start to design my lips, again giving them a more feminine shape than the original character. To give them more dimension, I add some darker red to the corners and blend it with a fluffy brush. Then I outline the lips with the black body paint. Now I'm sketching the little triangles over and under my eyes with a cyan color. I didn't have cyan, so I mixed some teal and blue together. I add some darker blue to make them more interesting. I'm designing my eyebrows with dark red, giving them a more glamorous shape than the original. Then moving to the eyes, I'm applying a white eyeshadow base, setting it with a bit of powder to avoid streaking. I create a smoky eye look with some turquoise and blue. I add some blue with my fingertip to intensify it. I apply some dark blue eye pencil on my lash lines and smudge it with some dark blue eyeshadow. Then I'm coloring my lashes with white body paint. And applying fake eyelashes that I previously colored with white body paint. I then apply contact lenses and move to the body. I'm sketching the clothes with a butter-colored pencil before starting filling the areas with body paint. I go for the white shirt first. I apply a first layer with a brush. Then I even everything out, applying another layer with a damp sponge. I set everything with powder. Then I start adding the shadows. I use a bronzer for the shadows on the skin. And a dark gray eyeshadow for the shirt. I use a mustard color to paint the vest. I didn't have a mustard body paint, so I mixed yellow and brown. Again, I go with a brush first and a sponge after. I use a brown eyeshadow to create the shadows on the vest. Then I move to the dark red and mustard tie. I use brown and dark gray eyeshadows for the shadows. Then I outline everything in black. And add some highlights with white body paint and a fluffy brush. As a final touch, I add some clear gloss to my lips. The look is now complete. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you already know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye!